Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where the only thing smaller than my whisk is my mother-in-law's spice rack. Today we're going to make Mexican chorizo burgers. We're going to add 1/3 of a pound of our homemade chorizo, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And we're going to mix and combine it. And we're going to form it into 3 patties. Now, pan over medium heat. We're going to heat up some oil. We're going to cook the patties for 3 minutes on this side. Burn myself on the spatula. After the 3 minutes, we're going to flip them over. Add a slice of white American cheese to each one. Now we're going to cook for 6 minutes. And now after 6 minutes, it's time to cut off the heat. And it's time to assemble. And now it's time to assemble. Take our patty. Add some homemade guacamole. Some pico de gallo, some queso fresco, and some Mexican crema. And now it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's a darn good hamburger. Well, it's not really just hamburger. It's a darn good chorizo burger. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.